Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Gemini on your iPhone and making sure it has camera and photos permissions. This lets it capture or edit images directly. Once done, sign into your Google account so your settings and models load. Next, tap to create a new image or import an existing photo from your library. This is the first actionable step that moves you out of setup and straight into editing or generation. Make sure you pick photo mode, not chat, to keep the interface focused on images. Now refine what you want. Choose a style preset and an aspect ratio like 16:9 or 4:5 to fit your platform. Then edit the prompt or use on-screen controls to set light, background, and subject focus so Gemini understands the desired output. Use the mask or brush tool to protect parts of the photo you want unchanged and paint in areas to replace. This gives precise control. Once you see the preview, tweak strength and iterations to balance detail versus fidelity. Finish by reviewing Gemini's previews and applying any final crop, color, or retouch adjustments, then export the image to your Photos library or share directly. If you notice odd artifacts or unrealistic details, lower the transform strength or clarify the prompt and rerun a single pass. Repeating with slight changes usually fixes issues. If the app fails to import or access the camera, check iPhone settings for permissions. Force quit and relaunch the app, or reboot the phone before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.